everybody. We're here looking for. We actually have the same exact setup that we could get from yesterday here, and hopefully this one actually decides to play out. Like I'm really looking forward to this, right? If you guys were here yesterday, we have that 1 hour bearish order block, 1 hour, 4 hour SIBI here. If you guys take a look, and yesterday I said it was really important that we print this high here, right before the 4 hour order block and the 4 hour SIBI, 1 hour order block, and this should give us a nice entry for the day. Bearish move down, possibly. That's what I'm going to be looking forward to. Now, although on the daily right here, what we are seeing is some bullishness come in here. I'm not sure this will hold up because even though we do have the daily here, the VI volume imbalance here, we do have a breaker block. Not sure if this guarantees bullishness for us yet because it will mean prices coming back into a discount, and I can't ignore this liquid high that got put in at 1045 yesterday on YM. Yep. No, I got the record button going. Thank you. Yep. No, we got that figured out. But yeah, good morning, guys. Thank you guys for stopping in again. We have day 2 right here. Now, again, we don't have any high impact news at 8:30, so I'm just gonna go through. It's gonna be a little different than yesterday because I was still getting set up to like streaming yesterday, but we're gonna go back to my normal process. So, just on NQ, let's start. Yeah, NQ, this is a beautiful trade because what is it? It swept the previous day's low. It would have given us our nice 1 to 2 from right here, right? We could have just taken this. Boom, 1 to 2. Started the challenge outright, but me was a little late to the trigger on that one. It's all right. We'll get a couple more. Hopefully we get one in today. But I'm going to start at the higher time frame, guys. Okay, this doesn't tell me shit. Yep, higher time frame. We can see, guys, we are hitting this bearish order block here. I'm expecting us to get some kind of push down from that, especially oh yeah, right up here is great. So we're gonna mark this out. Oh, that's way too big. What is this? 14,737. So switch back to my NQM. It's tricky when the contract gets to prices where you need the continuous contract, because then you just can't even mark it out. You can't really see it on your chart here. Take a look. The volume's not great. But here we are gonna mark our weekly SIBI. It's at the bottom there. Boom. Lock that in. Go back to the NQ1 chart. It's also going to be a BPR, but they're around in the same area. I don't feel like doing it twice. You guys get the point, right? It's a monthly order block as well. I'm not going to mark that out, but yeah, this is like essentially it right here. I'm expecting some kind of reaction here. If we take a look on the weekly now, we can see we do have this this volume imbalance here. I'm expecting us to come down into it, so this could be a great opportunity for us to short down, right? This is going to be a couple hundred points from where we're at. We're touching the monthly order block here, so if I switch back to my NQ, we can see, boom, weekly volume imbalance. There we go. And as well. Below that, we also have this this BISI, weekly BISI. Cannot forget about that there. Boom. Some relative some PD arrays that are relatively close to price. And go back to our NQ1 chart. It's so annoying having to switch between the two, but it is what it is, right? We've got these. Now this is going to be our weekly breaker too. So this could definitely provide some strength, but it's not going to be relevant to price just yet, so I won't mark it out. You only really want the things that are close to your price, because at the end of the day, I'm an intraday trader. Like, I'm not going to be trading stuff like a mile away, right? So we're on the daily now. The daily, you can definitely get a better picture. The weekly volume imbalance is also on this order block here, so we will just mark that out as a daily order block as well. That's extra confluence right there. And yeah, we'll see where it takes us. We've been in a consolidated range for a couple days now. Haven't really been moving anywhere. Oh, now see this. I'm going to remove the stuff from yesterday. But see this. This could be a point of interest right here that I think we might have to get into, right? This is going to be our daily volume imbalance. Now, we definitely are going to want to take a look at that. Yeah, I'm not really positioned bullish because I think we need to pull back down. There's a lot of overlapping stuff here, right? We have a daily BISI here. Yeah, daily order block, daily BISI. Like we're definitely going to pull back down here. There's no way like we just continue pushing up without price being supported by something, right? So definitely going to want to look into that. 4 hour, what have we got going on? 4 hour. Okay, yeah, I definitely want us to come back into this range at least. This is an order block right here, but realistically, I only really want to look for this one right here because like this block, this down close candle here as the 4 hour order block, because well, first of all, like all of this is not going to be in our discount, and this order block right here, oh wait, why am I on the 12 hour? Okay, scratch that. This is going to be our 12-hour order block, but I'm not going to use the 12 hour for this analysis, right? Even if we take a look closer, yeah, it looks way better here, right? We have the 4 hour here. So this block right here is going to be a big point of interest. I'm going to mark it out here because, well, it's in our discount and it is the order block that sweeps liquidity. If you take a look at all these liquid lows, right, this is the order block that sweeps it. So the order blocks that sweep liquidity, some free game for you guys, those are the strongest ones. So mark it as, I like to call them a super order block. Blocks that sweep liquidity, you guys got to watch out for those, right? Oh wait, you guys can see my stream, right? Am I talking to myself? We're good. I want to make sure you guys can actually see. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so I mean, as you guys can see, a little bit of an update from yesterday. We have the $50 gained on the account. Like I updated in my Notion, $50, we'll take it. Yesterday was a really slow day, right? Oh, where am I? Did not mean to come here. Here we go. Yeah, so definitely gonna watch out for some of these. If we mark our higher time frame premium discount now, yeah, like I don't really know about these daily VIs, daily BISIs, but they're definitely gonna have some sort of reaction here just because we put in a liquid low right here yesterday. I'm definitely gonna start looking for that. So yeah, I'm gonna be on the lookout for that one. But on these time frames, I'm not really seeing anything too great for NQ. Now on the 1 hour, we do have our hourly SIBI with a liquid high right above the previous day's high, right? I'm thinking this is going to be where we get a sell-off here. So the hourly SIBI, right? I'm going to be looking for potentially a trade here. So what we can do with something like this is draw our tool out here. Okay, this is a small SIBI, right? Can I find anything on a smaller time frame to refine it? Okay, yeah, right. So we also have a 15-minute SIBI here. What I'm going to do is this is going to be what my position will look like. Oh, this is going to be a wide stop. Yeah, I'm going to need 80 points for this one. Let me see if I use my wrist tool. Right. Yeah, I can only really take one contract with this one. According to my trade plan on micros. But this is what I'm going to be looking for in terms of intraday. What I will do, though, if this shit starts printing, is I will scale an extra contract in. And I might not get it in at the, again, most optimal price, but I want to scale an extra contract in if, like, I do see, like, an immediate rejection of this SIBI right here, because it's going to show us that we are aligned with the market, right? So we have our 15-minute SIBI. Yeah, definitely going to be looking for something like this today. Again, you'll notice I'm not putting my stop at the high, right? I'm really comfortable with this stop because if we violate both of these SIBIs, on top of, like whatever order blocks, like, or inversions that we're violating, like I really don't want to stay in the trade. Anyways, so that's going to be my idea right there. Again, we'll mark out the 7:30 open. We'll notice that we are really far above the 7:30 open here. This is super good because, well, it's also the midnight open, but the 7:30 open is the true day's open. If I'm bearish, I want us to be above the 7:30 open. And as we look for this sweep of liquidity, like with these higher time frame PD arrays in the line, it's going to give me extra confluence that I am in line with the market here. Yeah, from here, it just looks like a 4-hour rejection block, so we can think about that as well. I'm not going to mark that out because my like refined points of interest are already in here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to put an alert, like just right about here, right between the previous day's high and our hourly SIBI here, point of interest. So if NQ does cross up, we'll be the first to know. And that will be the analysis for NQ. Let's switch over to YM. YM, again, we still have our alert placed. I'm gonna, just put it right again in between the previous day's high right here. I'm really thinking like this gets taken right here because again we see this order block, price digs back into it overnight at around 2, like for the manipulation, and then I'm thinking we can get a New York reversal today because we are looking for the previous day's high there, and it would trace us back into a discount. Now you'll notice on the higher time frame range that we're in, right? If we take a look at this right here, as soon as we dip into discount, right? So with this candle right here, you guys can see, I will use my brush tool here. Boom. That candle that candle wick right there, and we dip into discount, it immediately gets bought right there, right? But that's like, to me, like a generation of a low, like liquid engineering or engineering like liquidity, as opposed to like a real move, because we notice like we don't I don't think we dip into this breaker here. No, we don't. This breaker block here, and we also don't dip into this this 4-hour BISI here. I'm actually going to mark this out because this might be a potential point of interest for tomorrow, right? And of course we have our daily BPR here. So right here again, I'm not really I'm not really bullish. I can't be bullish in a premium, right? So again, gonna be looking for shorts here. ES rallying hard, taking these equal highs that were generated overnight here, relative equal highs. What do we have? Taking of the equal highs by NQ, taking of equal highs by YM. We have a bearish DXY, and it's looking to, for me, it looks like it's going to take previous day's low, but we're going to keep in mind, I don't think it took the previous day's high from yesterday. No, it didn't. Or wait, did it? I'm not sure. Well, it didn't take Thursday's high, so we still have a bunch of liquidity that's untaken up here, low resistance liquidity run. So definitely going to be looking for something along those lines. Do you guys have any analysis you guys did this morning? You guys want to share? I mean, I can take a look at stuff too. Like, I'm basically done with my analysis for the morning. Keep it simple, keep it easy, set your alerts, we're good to go. I'm going to switch back into my intraday time frames here. Again, we have our alerts set up for the bullish crossing up. We're going to take a bearish trade based on this, most likely. We'll want to see which one's stronger or weaker, YM or NQ, because I don't want to be caught on the wrong side of it again. We'll also notice on the 15-minute we do have a OTE entry at around 3:45 in the morning from YM here. Anybody trading overnight? I know Rob likes to trade overnight. Rob's in here, right? Good morning to all the new people that just joined us. Thank you guys for tuning in. I don't have the music on, Wolfgot. I don't have the Yeah, anybody having problems, please let me know. I'm not sure about if the stage channels or something like that like mess up the stream sometimes. Like, I'm not really sure, but like past couple of days we've had some problems with people not being able to hear. Um so just let me know if you guys are having issues. I don't have no clue, right? Yeah, that could be it too, Nick. Thanks. Yeah, wrong output on Discord could do something like that. Yeah, so again, 8:30 here. We will be beginning to look for manipulation to occur. So I'm definitely gonna be looking into um like a move up starting at 8:30. But for right now, we're good to go. Oh, Wolfgot, you can hear now. Nice, man. Good morning, bro. Yeah, like I mean, like I'm hoping like everybody that joins can like hear. Like, I have no idea if you guys can or can't. Just let me know in the chat. We've had this issue like a couple times past couple of days. I'm thinking it's just something like with Discord bugging. I have no clue. Yeah, but we can take a look at the YM NQ 15-minute here. Just monitor from there. Will show us if price is stronger or weaker. So right here, again, a lot of like resting sell side liquidity, low resistance liquidity run to the bottom for NQ here. YM is gonna be a little more high resistance down to the bottom to the liquid lows. Did put in the relatively equal lows here for the reversal overnight, but I'm gonna be looking into taking NQ. NQ is a lot faster than YM normally, and oh wait, I will plot out my my position for YM if I do take one, right? Let's just look at something like this. it's going to be the same one that I was looking to take from yesterday. So let's see here. We have our 33,698. Okay. Boom. And then I'm thinking, yeah, I can put like 2 ticks above this order block here. We have the Sibi as well. Do believe the order block will hold up on the hourly. Target again, our mechanical 1 to 2. And if we create limit order, let's see how much we can put on this. Believe it was 4 contracts. Yeah, 4. So again, we're going $5 above our 125, but it's close enough, right? Like $5 is not gonna, life or death me. But yeah, I'm thinking something like this is great. We have our alert set up. I'm gonna put the alert a little lower. Actually, it gives me time to react here. Same with NQ, because you don't want to be cutting it close too much for some of these things. Alert a little lower. Yeah, we'll be all right. I mean, the order block itself actually is gonna be a little bit better for me in terms of making a trade. So I'm hoping NQ can get the sell-off so we can see a sell-off on YM. YM, again, we're going to be looking into taking 4 micro contracts here. $130 risk, $260 gain, potentially. Just going to look for that. I mean, it could definitely go much further. Now, what I can do is, if I hold a runner on that YM position, because I am using 4 contracts, I will exit this for a sell at the 1 to 2 if it does work out, right? And then just hold a runner and see how far it can go, right? Because I'm thinking we can definitely dip into this 4-hour BISI, and if I do hold a runner, what is that going to look like? Well, it's going to be like around like a 1 to 4 risk to reward. Definitely something I want to take on with a single, runner. Can definitely net me a lot more on the account and push us on our way. Now, like with a runner in mind, like you want to have, basically the majority of your position closed out. So I would be having 3 out of 4, 3 out of 4 closed, and then the last 1/4 running, right, to target the 4-hour BISI down below. And what that's going to do is allow me to maximize a lot more on a winning position as opposed to just taking a 1 to 2. Now, I know the rules do say we want to take a 1 to 2, and we're going to do that. But in order to, you know what I'm saying, like show that like this trading strategy can work and like maximize our position from a high quality trade, this is what we're going to do. The 1 to 4, if we leave it running, I will trail the stop loss behind it. It's never going to come back to break even. We're never going to lose on that position if this one wins, right? But we'll see what's going on. Yeah. I'm thinking it's on their end too, Max. A lot of people have been having a little bit of trouble with that lately. Wolfgott, yep. We are, so much sell side, right? A lot of sell side there. Again, if I'm taking, let me just take a look at ES real quick. I'm not going to trade it, but, oh yeah, right? I mean, high resistance liquidity run to the bottom, but then, again, we develop a liquid low here. This is going to be something on the hourly, right? Not really seeing too much on the hourly here, but definitely an easy move down if we can get it. Now, if ES was to move down, it already ran the previous day's high twice here. But what we're going to see is probably this is going to be a rejection block above here. Hourly order block put into play here. So there's that, but again, I'm not interested in trading that. So now what is interesting is that ES pushing down, right? We can see that ES having a pretty decent size candle down, even though it's only like 4 points. I'm thinking this is going to be immediate rebalance on ES for a move up. Oh wait, was it because of 830? Looks like it, a little bit maybe. No, this is just dipping into a discounted BISI here, probably to continue up to that hourly order block. I'm thinking that wants to get rebalanced, repriced, but again, not looking to trade that. Yeah, so from here on, we're just gonna sit and wait. I'm gonna ask Zeusy if I can get a music bot in here because y'all probably don't like hearing the sound of my voice that much. I mean, we are taking this equal high here, but not really a reason to just think about selling off yet. No higher time frame PD right here. 7:30 open is going to be our key open here. As long as we remain above it, I will look to be pretty bullish. I mean, I'm thinking if we even push down, we can get a reversal like tomorrow. So what this weekly profile would look like is probably a consolidation and then Thursday reversal, bullish. But for right now, I can't be a bull. I sound like Zeusy. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. A little music. I mean, little vocal tones here and there. Y'all drink tea? Any tea drinkers in here? I'm trying to lay off coffee because sometimes I'd be spending a little too much at the coffee shop. Oh, yep. No, it's gonna be recorded. Yesterday, I didn't get the recording in because I just started streaming top of the morning, and I was like, let me not open OBS. Let me not record this. And then no recording from yesterday, but super slow day yesterday. Not even nothing to worry about. YM, I basically have the same exact analysis from yesterday, which is like great because it means we're generating more liquidity, right, to use for our move down. Like, what is it? 1 low, 2 low, 3 lows. I mean, sorry, not lows, highs, right? All these highs getting put in here. We have a high here. We're gonna run the previous day's high if my plan is gonna work. A lot of like buy side right there. Plus, it's gonna be at around the premium range. So if we take a look, I don't know why this is here, but from top to bottom here, if you take a look at something like this, right, you turn it into your OTE, it's going to be a perfect OTE basically. 0.62 is right here. That's going to be where about our entry is going to be. We're going to enter right next to the premium though, not too much into the OTE. We have a stop at like the 0.75. I could like lengthen my stop to increase it, but I would need more points for that. And for, first like trade, we don't want to risk as much, so I'm gonna put 4 contracts on this one. We'll see what happens. I like if this order block holds up, which it should theoretically, we're gonna get a really nice trade, right? Switch this back to our premium discount. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm drinking some kind of. This is not green tea. This is chamomile or something like that. I have no idea. Hey, Dad, what kind of tea is this? You have no idea? Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Not really sure what this is. I don't really like to see this weakness at 8:30 here, though. Like, would like to see it continue showing strength. Looks like the 15-minute is starting to look alive here, though. We do have the this 15-minute BISI filling out. So I use like 90-minute cycles fractally, right? So again, we have our 7:30 here. You're gonna notice at the bottom, right on the bottom of the screen, we have Q2, Q3, right? These are just gonna be our manipulation fractals. So this is exactly basically where I want to be looking for trades, like from Q2 to Q3, our manipulation, and then a potential like Q4 distribution. Would hopefully like to see the manipulation soon. Let's see what happens here. Could be at 9:30. Thinking it's gonna be 9:30. Yeah, no, don't get me started on the Starbucks, man, because Starbucks. No, it's because of the price, Nick. Because Starbucks, like, you know what I'm saying? You're paying $8, $9, maybe $10 for like a coffee, and it's just gonna be like, you know what I'm saying, a bunch of bullshit in the coffee anyways. Like you're paying really for just syrup. At Starbucks, that's what they're charging you for. But no, it's definitely because of the price. I can't be going outside spending all this money on coffee. No, I could do it, but tea is just convenient. You know what I'm saying? It's so easy to make. You boil your water, put your tea bag in it, you're good to go. Good morning to everybody stopping by. By the way, a couple new faces in here. Really looking for some aggressive expansion up into our previous day's high. Right here, from the indices. It's pretty aligned today with the DXY though. I'm thinking DXY takes its previous day's low, while the indices take their previous day high. That's exactly what I'm looking into. Yeah, where are you shopping, Moneyball? You shopping at Costco, man? Yeah, I'm knowing. I'm knowing. I know how you get around. But yeah, like this is what trading should be. It should be boring as hell. It's a waiting game. I mean, I could scalp too, like for sure. Like I don't think I have any problem scalping into a long position here on NQ. Like if I was to take a look at this on the 15-minute, we just have this 15-minute breaker here. This seed right here, this becomes a breaker, right? Boom. Position entry here. Um, into the BISI, a little bit above the true New York Open. But if I am targeting the previous day's high as like my intraday draw on liquidity, you could definitely scalp it for. Shoot, this is like 25 points. It's not even the worst. Um, based on the idea that I would be taking. Okay, this looked terrible. This looks terrible right here. Bunch of choppy consolidation. Well, again, we also have, I think, like a breaker block development here. Something like this. Could definitely scalp um, into like a decent amount of points. Quick 1 to 2, something like that. But we'll see what happens at 9:30. Yeah, no, Liverpool. I'm telling you, because tea is just convenient, man. Like you get the tea bag, like you know what I'm saying. You boil a little bit of water, you're good to go. Like the water's gonna taste the same either way, but you put the tea in it. That now you got something going on. Now you got a little extra flavor in there. Right. No, exactly. You're gonna get you're gonna get that quick boost. See, Fox is using the Nespresso. He's using he's using the machine. Yeah, no. Wolfgang, 100%. Like the way I'm looking at this, like based on on my normal like scalping tendencies, is like I definitely have the worst week to start this challenge. The worst week. Like this shit is the slowest shit ever. I didn't think about it, but I was like, I checked the economic calendar and like for yesterday, right? And I was just like, what's the point of even looking at this? There's nothing going on that could even, you know what I'm saying, like have any relevance in trading. Just nothing. Tomorrow we have our unemployment claims, but I really like if we chop today and like because I'm thinking the unemployment claims could lead to like consolidation bullish reversal tomorrow. I'm thinking that's what our weekly profile is going to look like. I'm going to stick to that until I get proven wrong here. But clearly, like this is a nice consolidation for us to trade here. I have no problem trading this, but yeah, you see how slow the price is moving up. You want to see, um, like the next hour, which seems like a long time, right? Give us this push up right here around 9:30, 9:40. Hopefully, we can get our move into that previous day's high. I'm thinking it happens here. Price is holding up this 15-minute BISI pretty well. We take a look at the 5-minute. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad here. Take a look at the 15-minute again. ES, right? 15-minute BISI is getting held up by indices. Now, what is cool to notice too, right? If we take a look at DXY, if we are using that for our higher time frame inverse correlation and confluence, right? Well, notice we don't take the Thursday high with Friday's move or Monday's move. We're not taking Monday's high with Tuesday's move, and right here, we are having a little bit of reversal near the bottom from this this bullish order block on DXY here. Just goes to show like consolidation environment. Next week will definitely be better in terms of printing, but starting the challenge this week, trading based on regular price action. You can see it, I can see it. Nothing bad about that here. The hourly price digging into this this SIBI here, maybe retracing back into a premium SIBI and potentially this this mitigation block right here because we have the failure swing, right? Boom, boom, boom. So what does that look like? Mitigation, right? That's what I'm seeing here on DXY. Essentially get our move lower, hit the previous week's low. Yeah, that would make a lot of sense for me, right? So what I'm looking for in terms of DXY, perfect scenario, right? We get this, move to the previous week's low, and then, oh wait, actually, I don't know. If I'm bullish on indices, I'm not sure if I want this to happen, but maybe something like this. Because there's definitely going to be like a 4-hour, yeah, there it is, 4-hour BISI right here. We could still dig into this BPR range here. So yeah, perfect, right? Being able to visualize price multiple time frames without even looking at the time frame is something we're going to have to think about. Just because like PD arrays are going to look totally different on a different time frame, right? Because if I look at the 1 hour here, you're not really seeing too much. I mean, you do see again like this inversion gap. 4-hour BPR is a lot clearer, right? But I mean, who knows? Like maybe something like this could happen. I'm not like a DXY trader though. Again, like I don't trade Forex or anything like that. So I'm just using this for a little bit of an inverse correlation. I like to pay more attention to the indices though, generally for that. Really slow morning here. Prop firm. I am using ETF, so Elite Trader Funding. I'm on their 150K static. So again, if we take a look at my plan here on the Notion, we started with 1250, $1,250 for the drawdown, up $50 from yesterday. Take what we can get, and we'll see what today brings. Today, I'm thinking the setups are really looking to line up here. Like if we can get like those previous days high sweeps, today setups are gonna be green for sure. Like these setups look like way too good, right? Switch to the 15-minute again here. Like there's just all this liquidity here, these equal highs, right? Taken out, previous day's high taken out, right into the premium order block, premium SIBI, right? It's just too many things lining up, and then like on top of that, it's 8:47 right now, a little bit of a consolidation. But if like again, like we can see like a like this is something that could happen at like the New York Open, right? We just see a big time, manipulation up straight into um our like area of like interest, like our point of interest here. We can take that sell. So as it gets closer to 9:30, the New York Open, I'm just gonna set my limit orders, like right there, right? I'm just gonna create limit order, right? We said 4 units, yeah, 4 contracts for this one. Boom. As we get close to 9:30, and then if time aligns, and price does move up into that premium, like I think it will, we're gonna have some green trades, guys. Should be like theoretically should be green. Very high probability chance of hitting these. Uh, Same with this one. I think I can only use 1 contract on this one though. Yeah, unless I want to risk my $50 that I got from yesterday, but not really a fan of that. So we'll take like $200 off the top if we can. I wish I could use like 1.5, because that would be perfect. But no, it doesn't work like that. Good morning, Joker. I see you decided to tune in as well. This man just snuck in here. You think we don't notice? Yeah, when are we getting you on a live trading stream? When are we getting that? Morning, man. Don't be shy, bro. When you were breaking like turtle soups down and stuff like that, you weren't shy. I mean, that's why you see right here. I'm on a stream. I'm not like everybody else is muted, but me. Like I'm focused too. I mean, I know I was just guys. Don't talk about like the fact that we were talking about like what kind of tea everybody was drinking like 10 minutes ago. But what I mean, I'm dialed in, bro. Yeah, but I'm hoping like right now at least like you guys are comfortable with my method. Obviously, like this is not your typical fast trade like fast paced like scalp trading. Obviously, I'm not like doing what I normally do in and out, um, stuff like that. But this is a comfortable way of trading like just slowly, methodically, taking high quality trades, and we just know like these setups are going to present themselves time and time again in the market, right? As long as we have candlesticks, we can make this work. See, I might need to fuck around and start playing with the different candlesticks though, because some people are using like what Heiken Ashi candlestick. Like, what is going on here? Do y'all see this, man? Like this look crazy. Oh no, absolutely not. Somebody's trading EMAs with these. I'm good. Good on that. Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying, Max. Like I forgot to add my 9, 21, 55, 100, 200 EMAs in there. A little late to the party on that one. Um, if I, some people making it work though. I seen a couple Heiken Ashi traders here and there going crazy. But yeah, I don't think we're in the business of trading RSI. The secret MACD RSI. Yeah, no, I didn't show him that one yet. But you know what? We can turn that on right here while we're still bullshitting. Um, right here, guys. If you want to take, I was gonna say like if price gets to the 70 or price gets to the 30, like you know what to do. But like price has just been chilling right here. Wait, RSI is leading, right? This is actually like pretty good right here. No, it's not. This is terrible. This is Yeah, never mind. We don't need that. I just looked. If you start trading Sunday, it's doomed. It's doomed for sure. Man, of course we don't catch any of these big moves though. But you know what? We'll start on a super slow week. See what's going on. Now I'm thinking if we use some real sauce for you guys here. If we're using the open, high, low, close, right? 7 minutes till this candle closes. I don't think we're gonna get a bullish pump here, right? But what I'm thinking is this becomes a bullish order block right here, lines up with this bullish breaker block here on the Nasdaq, and then what you're gonna see is price dip, like wick down on the hourly, right into this BISI that's gonna form right here, push up into that previous day's high into our entry point, and then we can get a nice, you know what I'm saying, clean move down and be good to go from there. But yeah, I'm super ready to take a trade because, I mean, we've been waiting for this for a minute, guys. We've been waiting on this one. Rob, did you take your trades already? I know how you're getting around. Yeah, volume is not great. Yeah, again, with the open, high, low, close, guys, you can see this is 8 o'clock start, right? So price wicks up, then pushes down on the hour, and then you'll see right here, comes back into the range to close. But what we should be seeing again is that that wick down move into the hourly BISI, and then hopefully a continuation into our points of interest. If we don't get it today, it's going to be really depressing because I've waited all day for it yesterday. Yeah, no, I was about to say, like, Rob definitely, you know what I'm saying, like, already ate his end of the meal. Wait, Rob, you trade all of London and New York, or are you trading only AM? Because I saw you were trading London one time. I traded London with you. That was a terrible experience. I don't know why I did that. Oh, see, like Rob is one of them. You can see him right here. This is a personality trait. Rob is addicted, right? Like Rob has an issue. So, yeah, like this dude is trading at all hours of the day. Like, was it Rob? You said you're in Poland, right? Time in Poland right now. Yep, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Rob has been trading all morning in Poland. It's the afternoon now. He's still trading. Bro, I'm just saying though. Oh, you quit your job, Rob? What were you doing? That boy quit his whole job. Oh, this man had a restaurant. Oh, that's crazy. No, I'm sorry, man. COVID did restaurants crazy. You guys were, I bet you guys were doing takeout back then, like just trying to make it work. No, I get it. Okay, I don't know why I just disconnected right there, but coming back to live here. Recording's still good to go. Oh, Rob's got the website. Let's see what's going on here. I hit translate to English, but I can't even. It didn't even translate. Oh, here it goes. This is a beautiful fucking restaurant. What is going on? Two minutes from the beach? Wait, is this a hotel? What is going on? Wedding menus? Rob's mom is definitely one of those people that like can cook like 300 things, cause this stuff is looking crazy. Doves with in mushroom sauce. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like this site is looking a little too good right here. This is not a restaurant, Rob. Like this is. Y'all are baptizing children in this restaurant. Birthdays. Oh yeah, if I had a restaurant like this, I promise you I would not be trading. Oh, uh, oh, I just wait. Can you guys hear? Wait, y'all can hear me or not? Okay, hold on. We're just gonna disconnect and reconnect here. Hello? Y'all can hear me? Um. Okay. Yeah. I'm. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know why Discord is just having a stroke. Maybe I need to get out of the state. I'm tomorrow's stream, guys. Like I'm gonna talk with all of y'all. Um. In the chilling voice chat or something like that. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with the stream, but I don't appreciate it. Oh, I just realized like this entire time I've been recording me talking about Rob's restaurant. Nah, this is crazy. This is crazy. Yeah, whole time. Wait, you guys couldn't hear me talking about Rob's restaurant? I was saying like this. The website looked beautiful. If I had a restaurant like this, I promise you, I am not um trading. This restaurant looks crazy. They're having baptisms at the restaurant, doing weddings, birthdays, like serving what doves and mushroom sauce, looking exquisite. Yeah, the restaurant's 2 minutes from the beach. It looks like a hotel, bro. Like, yeah, I'm definitely baptizing my child in that restaurant. What? What? No, but like I want to see like where everybody's from. Like I know Rob and Joker are from Europe. Like Joker's in Israel, Rob's in Poland. Where's everybody from though? I'm on that Eastern time zone. You know what I'm saying? It's 9:03 right now. Um. Oh yeah, U.S. Mm-hmm. Oh, ATL. Okay. Boys from boys in Austria. Oh, okay. We got hella different nationalities here. Texas. Okay. Wow. Welcome. International crew right here. Mm-hmm. So like again, guys, what we're expecting here: down move into the BISI, take us back up into our SIBI. I'm gonna place my limit orders now. You can see just like how easy and convenient this is too. Like you take a look at this, I'm not, you know what I'm saying, stressing about this at all. I know exactly how much I'm risking. Boom, orders are in, right? Good to go. Again, counts at 150,000, 54 bucks. We're ready to go for this AM. Yeah, I'm thinking we can get a big time manipulation up. Is everybody else? Are you guys bearish? If you guys are trading indices too, what's everybody got going on? Because like digging into like premium and like above like the liquidity as well, like us putting in this liquid high from as yesterday's high, like this is not a coincidence. I'm telling you guys, we're in a simulation right here. This is not random, man. Yep. Now exactly that, Chips. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Mm-hmm. Oh, Moneyball, are you a full time trader now after running those restaurants for 10 years? I know you was eating good during that time. Oh, not full time yet. Okay, we're getting there. Yeah, sorry, my stream keeps pausing, guys. I am like every single time I switch to the chat, I don't know if it pauses my stream or not, but I can't like see the chat any other way. Um, yeah, it's definitely pausing it because it's telling me on Discord. Okay, guys. So like we take a look here, exactly what we were thinking would happen, right? NQ should show the exact same thing. Never, it doesn't. Disregard that I just said that, but so what I was thinking, I was like, okay, the open on this new hourly candle, right, just dips into the BISI, um, and then we just push up for that new hourly open. Manipulation should happen. 23 minutes on the clock here. We get our big pump up. We get a nice low resistance liquidity run move down. Easy trading there. Like this is a 10% setup right here. I would take this setup any day of the week. You can see we have the risk defined, right? Not financial advice, by the way. Please do not, you know what I'm saying, take this that way. Um, yep, disclaimer. Big time disclaimer. Not financial advice. Please do not, like, you know what I'm saying, full lot the same trades I'm taking, because it it's not gonna, like, if it doesn't hit, if like we completely get fucked on these trades. Like that's just 2 trades I just lost, right? It's no bueno, not great at all. Yeah, no. I'm telling you, it's the stage channel, guys. Like the stage channel is giving us the issues because like people keep joining and then have no sound, or it's like I join and then you guys can't hear me. No, I'm not fucking with the stage channel. Um, I'm gonna be in chilling tomorrow. I can talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna go for that because stage channel, I'm not fucking with it. Nope. Yeah, big time disclaimer. 22 minutes until the manipulation, like potential manipulation, right? Oh god, I can't even type. So far, NQ showing more weakness than the other indices. YM has strength. ES, little bit of weakness, or not weakness, but stuck in between. That's normally how it works. ES is like the middle child that nobody really wanted. Yeah, I'll see you at 920, Rob. But guys, we do have our sell limits down. Everything's good to go. Now, if this NQ trade hits, like, you'll notice my stop is 40 points up. I'm going to add one more micro into it. If this NQ trade starts booming, actually, no, I think I'm going to go with YM instead because NQ, you could totally get fucked on on that. But, no, if I add one more micro, do we greed, guys? No, let's not do it. Everybody calm down, relax. I could be greedy as hell, but not gonna go for it. Oh nah. Oh nah, my friend was driving to work and he just texted me he got rear-ended. No way he had a car accident on the way to work. Yeah, let's follow the rules, Chips. You're right. Exactly that. I could see myself adding on YM if we do see that happening. But maybe just add one. Like who knows? YM is not as crazy as NQ, right? NQ, like the way NQ ticks is a little NQ special for that. But YM, like we do see it right now moving towards our um, point of interest objective right here. For people that are a little late to the party, did my analysis already. 1 hour order block, 4 hour Sibi, deep in premium right here because we have this expansion leg premium or retracement leg premium that we have right here, as well as the higher time frame range premium right here. So we are in 2 premiums right now, and yeah, it's looking good to go. We're also in the premium here, so a lot of premium, excellent for sales. Yeah, we can see price starting to push up. This is exactly like what I'm saying, what we're looking for. Price and time matching right here. So again, 912 right now. Gonna be looking for this in the next couple minutes. So like 48 minutes. Oh, we want our trade to play out. I don't want the trade to take until like 9:30 to play out. It just doesn't make sense for me. I'm gonna stick to the rules here. Yeah, NQ a lot of weakness here. YM strength. If that manipulation doesn't happen at around 9:30 or 10, I'm really not going to be happy. But this trading week, again, like I said it at the first stream of the week, it could just be a dud. Like yesterday, when I was streaming, I was looking at it and I was just like, yeah, this is not gonna look right because we don't have any high volatility news, right? News sometimes is exactly what you need. Oh wait, let me test out. Rob said he had a breaker block script from Lux Algo that he was trying to show us yesterday. Breaker blocks with signals. Let's take a look. Y'all see anything changing here? It's telling me this is a breaker block? From where? Never mind, bro. I hate it already. What is going on? Yeah, I don't know how he was using this to make his analysis work. It's definitely not looking like that for me. Yeah, YM looking like you guys see this. You guys know the retail concepts, right? This is your classic bull flag right here. Bull flag breakout. Again this morning, only bearish since we're above the true open. True New York open. Boom, boom. Exactly what we're looking for here. Now, if I size like 5 contracts into it, like I modify the order right here, only risking 162 bucks, net 325. So that's what, an extra like 50 bucks on it. I will scale in if this gives me the opportunity to. 15-minute looks like indices are starting to pull up here. Oh, that's why we're having a bit of resistance. We're at the midnight open. But this is great too because generating more liquidity at the midnight open, right? Plus on top of that, above the midnight open, which is going to be the days, like, open, a lot more interest in shorting. Yeah, starting to see price action push up, like I expected from earlier. Now, like, what we could see is like the move up be just super clean, right? Again, we have 13 minutes until the New York Open, right? If the move up is just super like clean and easy, that's gonna give me like even more confluence because if let's say like we just print like a bunch of fair value gaps like on like the 5 or the 15-minute all the way up into here, right? That's gonna like make it so if we sell off, there's gonna be an easy sell down. There's not going to be too much resistance because a lot of the times the order blocks and like breakers and stuff like that are providing the resistance, but no, like taking the liquidity from there with the order blocks and stuff and SIBIs like right above into like higher with the higher time frame selling off like that. That's exactly what we're going to look for. Exactly that. So, I mean, hopefully we see our opening manipulation push. We're starting to see indices show us some strength here, exactly as expected. So, again, we have our sell limits in place. We're good to go. Not financial advice. Please don't follow these trades. If you guys do follow these trades, and like you just want to see what it's like to trade a turtle soup, you guys haven't traded turtle soups before, trade it on paper, please, right? Because it's not something you can learn in a day or anything like that. Not financial advice at all. Please do not risk live capital doing this. Like me right here, I'm on an evaluation account, so I mean, even if we lose it, God forbid, I could care less, right? It's not my own. There it is. There it is. Now y'all want to, get a little up and active. No financial advice. We are not doing that here. We are not. Said, are we in? No, do not do that. I see what y'all are doing. Y'all are trying to twist my words. Don't appreciate it. No, shoot, Paladin's giving away accounts. Yeah, let me dial in on that. I'm gonna have to add Brady. Gonna have to add Londo. Gonna have to add Zeusy. We're locked in. They said free accounts, guys. Like, why not? Do not do this right now. He said you have a license to tell us to trade pump. No. I'm gonna. No, look on Twitter, right? Paladin's giving away accounts, man. He just started his trading firm. I just added, some of the guys. No, we're locked in. I'm definitely getting one of these accounts. He says he's giving away 5 accounts. There's no way I'm not one of them. And I tagged Londo too. Wait, Brady, I just added you. Come join this giveaway. Accounts are from 5K to 50K. Come lock in, bro. Man said he's laying in bed. I'm thinking we can definitely get the sell, like on this setup for YM here. YM showing a considerable amount of strength here, especially like a couple minutes in the open, right? If we just see it like a lot of the times you might not have seen this. Maybe you guys don't trade YM, but YM just booms at the open, right? Just go boom. If we can get that, one and done for the day. Okay, Liverpool, you're not wrong. But like any day of the week, I will take a free $5,000 account or $50,000 account. That would not, you know what I'm saying? That would not ruin my week for sure. Yeah, on Twitter, Paladin Boutia guys, come lock in on this giveaway. Like, retweet, tag 3 of your guys. Yeah, YM starting to get a little pump action going on. Told you guys we could have traded like an up move. Again, like just tap into this breaker right here, scalp the up move. Like it would have been terrible right here. I mean, from the breaker, if I entered like around the bottom right there, we already would have been up 15 points on NQ. We're trying to be good though, trying to be disciplined. Let's see if the 9:30 open gives it to us. I'm thinking it'll do it, right? I'm thinking we can get that 9:30 open. Nice little pump from there. Get it moving. Yeah, NQ showing strength here. ES showing strength. Again, above the New York AM Open. Can only be bearish above this. Yep, limit on NQ as well, right? We've got the, I'll show the NQ setup. We've got the NQ setup locked in here. Hourly SIBI, 15-minute SIBI as well. Definitely some kind of order block in between. Oh, no, 4-hour rejection block from there. Looking green. Looking green. I only have the 1 micro setup, though, because if I risk 2, it's going to be $177. Can't do it. Can't do it. I want to, but I can't. I'm thinking we get that manipulation at the open. It's a little too obvious right here, right? You got all these highs here that we're about to run. Like, it makes sense at the open or at 10 o'clock. I've been waiting on this for too long, guys. Limit orders are set up. We're good to go here. Not financial advice. NQ, I've got the hourly order block, 4-hour SIBI lined up. Daily look like shit. But on the daily is actually bullish, but I just don't think like this is a true bullish move. I mean, like I don't want to say too soon, but like something like this, right? Where we just barely dip into discount. I mean, if the volume imbalance like proves to hold up, like yeah, it's gonna be a real bullish move. But I would prefer like us digging into this 4-hour SIBI here for the real move, right? Because I just don't think like from here there's not really any PD arrays that are like hard supporting price upwards. But I mean, we're gonna see. Okay, and YM just slips here. That shit is just falling. Might not be today, folks. Kaden, stop playing, bro. First of all, I know you're an ES trader, so do not play these games with me. Oh, shoot. We have the next contract. We're rolling the next contract next week. That's what I'm saying. Like, like the previous cycle high as well. Nah, we'll get the pump up here, fellas. Watch this. You get a quick jolt up from 929 here. Algorithm starting to heat up. Let me switch back to. Why does my chart look like this? Come on, brother. Oh, no, no, no. Do not do that. Okay, nice pump up at the open. As we expected. Can we see the rally into previous day's high? Order block there. Sibby. Some real weakness coming in from NQ here. But I'm thinking that's just the opening, you know what I'm saying? I think this is a two-sided manipulation here, right? Down, NQ, and then up. But YM is just like, what is going on here? Oh, what could happen, right, is we come in to this BC right here as well before expanding up on YM. But for me, I'm thinking the 830 open holds YM up right here. Price dipping into the 830 open. NQ rallying up. We might be able to get the sell on NQ here, fellas. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you see it. You see it. Mm-hmm. I knew one of these sons of bitches was going to rally. Oh, yeah, BPR below. Okay, I see it. I see it. Yep. Yeah, nice BPR and run here. Oh. NQ crossing up here, fellas. We're going to, switch on over. Could be the first turtle soup trade of the challenge here. Coming in. Previous day's high get taken. We want to see a continued rally above into our sell limit here. Again, we have it set up. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Do not do this to me right now. You just finished your first challenge, Wolfgott? Nice, dude. Oh. Here it comes. Here it comes. We should be triggered in any second. Oh, we dead ass. No, don't play these games. Oh my. Nah, it's going to come into it, fellas. Don't even worry about it. We've got the right idea right here. This rally is clearly a manipulation. Okay, and we're in, fellas. Off to the races. Now from here we want to be comfortable in the in drawdown, right? In the manipulation phase. Plus, if you guys remember from yesterday, we did make $50, so we're gonna take that. YM is just completely shitting itself, having a good old time right here. Oh wait, what this could be is downwards manipulation. Okay, wait, hold on. NQ just absolutely exploding here. Now, what I could see happening is we hit the order block, but okay, my stop is right above the mean threshold on this hourly order block. We're going to see what happens here. If we do turn bullish for the day, like, I don't like that YM dipped into this hourly BISI here. Damn, I did all my analysis too, and this shit just started running, right? NQ dipping into hourly breaker here. Oh, I'm going to get stopped out on this one probably. The strongest shit I've seen in a minute. God damn. Can we get some sort of reaction out of the 15? Up. That's what we're looking for, fellas. You see that? Here, let me show you guys, right? You see it. The 15-minute Sibby right here. That's why I placed my stop right up here. 15-minute Sibby. Clean reaction. Down and away from it. Clear manipulation right here. We're going to hell, fellas. Unless YM pumps us. That would be wicked, though. Oh, it's not looking good. Not financial advice. From From this standpoint, though, this 15-minute SIBI, it doesn't look like we're going to hold up on this one. Yeah, I'm going to get stopped out here. Most likely. More than likely getting stopped out. We'll see if it's a double take on the 1 minute, though. We'll see what's going on here. CE of the fair value gap holding up here, holding price. We do get some. If we do get some downward expansion, should happen soon. Like to see it happen soon. SIBI, obviously not as powerful as an order block. No, it's just pumping. I'm glad I didn't even get to risk $100 on this, but very strong right here. Still in the manipulation phase though. NQ likes to make a lot of exaggerated moves for the this phase. It'd be crazy, right, if it wicked through this this fair value gap right here and then printed for us, but right now it's digging a little deep right here. I have my stop loss set. Stick to the plan, guys. YM doesn't know where it wants to go here. Check the 15-minute. Yeah, dip down to soup that. I mean, NQ on the 1 minute here looks a little stuck. We'll see if we can get our sell from here. This would be a crazy looking sell. Like, you take a look at something like this. This looks crazy. Oh, yeah. Next 5 minute candle forms. YM, ton of weakness here. Ton of weakness, guys. Yeah, before we were down like, what, 120 ticks? Now we are only down, I want to say 90. Yeah, 90, 95. See if we can't get our move down from the 15-minute SIBI here. After you do the challenge on ETF, yeah, 5 to 6. Oh yeah, you have the ETF challenge. From 5 to 6 o'clock, right? Like at the end of today, just sit on your hands, right? What they're gonna do is they're gonna give you an email. You're gonna sign a contract to be an elite trader. It expires after 48 hours. After that, you're good to go. Now, see, guys, if this was my original point of entry here, would be a lot safer stop, but prices, price is still strong here. It's not exactly what I want. Like, I would like to see the quick up move and then the quick down move happening here. But what we could see happen, which I would really like to see, right, is just a strong candle down below this, create the breaker, and then that would honestly give us a good continuation entry to scale in. So based on like second entries, like I can definitely buy in to like a 1 minute. Oh, actually, I said I wouldn't use the 1 minute to trade though. We're just monitor price on the 1 minute, see what's going on. NQ remaining like relatively still at this point here. Not exactly sure what it wants to get into. On the hourly, we can see NQ does hit this hourly order block. Looks to be having a rejection away from it. But if the drawn liquidity is actually like this liquid high, we're going to find out real soon, right? YM showing strength here. Now, if our YM limit gets triggered, we're definitely going to need to see some greens, right? Because this is going to be crazy if we take 2 L's on the day. YM showing strength from bottoming out there. Now you'll notice NQ shows weakness here while YM shows strength, and we have DXY sweeping the previous day's low coming into a 4-hour BPR, right? So we're still down on the position, down about 38 bucks, losing the gains from yesterday. But we'll see what happens from this standpoint. If my entry was at this order block, oh man, that would be great, but little premature entry, looks like. It's all right though. Looks like we're going to be getting our entry soon on YM. Hopefully we don't lose on that one as well. See what goes down though. Low resistance liquidity run to the bottom on YM. we can see NQ having some weakness here, while YM shows strength. This is actually going to be pretty good because I'm thinking as soon as YM dips into that limit hit right or alerts getting hit right here. I'm thinking as soon as YM dips into that or pushes into that sell limit we have on the order block, we can get a nice sell off on indices here. Do it mechanically. Stick to the plan. Okay, so we are seeing a very fast sell off, like I just said, happen on NQ here. Okay, I am entered in on the YM limit as well. If we take a look at my positions here, am in on the shorts, both sides. Currently down on both. See what happens. Now managing 2 trades is going to be hard, but NQ, I do believe, is going to start printing greens for us right now. We'll see very soon that this should be the case. Not too far down on NQ. YM, we take a look. Let's switch over our screens here to our YM trade. We are green on the YM trade. Dip into the order block right here. Could go a little bit further into the SIBI. Have my stop right above. Let's see if we can get some nice greens today, guys. Okay, NQ having a little bit of a moment here, pushing up. But oh yeah, YM immediate rejection. YM, okay. Guys, you see the same thing I'm seeing. You see it. This is what we're looking for. Do I scale one on YM now? Market order one more in. Let's relax. Everybody calm down. NQ. Let's see what we're looking like here. Bounce up from the 5-minute BISI here. A lot of strength in NQ. I'm alright losing that one. If NQ pulls YM up, I'm not really going to be happy about that, but I can definitely see a sell coming in from YM. ES showing strength as well, but our winning trade is going to be YM. If we take a look at our profit and loss, we risked a lot less for NQ. So at the end of the day, account balance, still in profit. The YM trade is working exactly as planned, though. I'm not sure about this NQ trade right here, but we take a look at the YM trade. It's perfect, right? Soon as price hits our limit, we sell. Now, right here, again, we don't want to see some strength from indices here. This could definitely cause some trouble for our position. We want to see a nice steady sell-off happening here. So I'm going to monitor both of the positions now using this screen right here on the 5-minute. We'll see what's going down. 15-minute candle, still green for YM. NQ having a little bit of a pullback in here. Switch the NQ right here. Switch the 1-minute. Again, another tap into the SIBI gap. Right, no closes above, but hard to tell what NQ wants to do here. I'm not going to look for it on the 1-minute. YM getting a lot of strength in here. ES is just pumping, straight pump. See if YM can maintain this weakness. Yeah, I don't like how we're coming back up, though, after this initial sell-off. I'm going to have to hold it, though, guys. No way around this one. ES has a nice candle wick up. I think if ES provides a little bit of weakness, indices will just crash here. To me, it's very obvious manipulation at 9:30 here, but again, if the drawn liquidity is bullish, and I'm completely wrong from my analysis here, could be going the wrong way here. YM, though, maintaining weakness here. NQ having a lot of strength. Again, overall, we're still not red on our position. On our positions overall. So we'll take what we can get here. YM selling off. NQ, considerable amount of strength here. Let me monitor this NQ real quick, a little more. Yeah, we hit the hourly order block not once but twice. Here. Now, if we can failure swing here, right? If we can develop a failure to swing higher, like indices, I'm telling you guys right now, we're gonna crash. Like, we get that failure to swing up on NQ. But right now, it looks like that shit is just mooning, man. I can't really tell the what's going on from the 15-minute here. But YM maintaining weakness on the 15-minute. NQ could also create like a swing higher. It'd be pretty unlucky if it hits my stop and then sells, but we'll see what happens here. Check on ES real quick, even though I'm not trading ES. ES showing weakness at the high here. Inside this hourly order block. Check YM. That's my girl. You guys see it? Right there. Right? We're gonna be green on today no matter what. If fucking like I can't allow this to happen to me where I get shit out on this position. No way. No way. Yeah, indices starting to weaken here. Exactly as planned, fellas. This is what we're looking for. This is exactly it. Oh, I said fellas. If any ladies are in here, I'd like to apologize. There's a little bit of a hype moment here. Now, YM dipping into 5-minute rejection block, 1-minute order block. I don't see it holding up. YM, strong rejection from the hourly order block there. Sell-off should be swift. Sell-off should be very quick. NQ having a little bit of a Super Bowl moment right here. This shit is mooning. But a little bit of weakness at the top here. If we see a sell down, YM is going to shit its pants. So what I'm going to do for YM is, I said earlier, you guys, I don't think we're in the chat, some of you guys. If it just absolutely melts, right, I'm going to leave a runner. Oh, wait, it did hit my 1-to-1. So YM, we put the stop at a little bit break even here. We'll not go red on this trade. Yeah, YM, we'll see what's going down, but NQ is extremely strong here. NQ showing a ton of strength on this one. Not really sure what to expect and what to think out of this. YM, just fair amount of weakness here. Fair amount of weakness. I'm thinking if we can tap back into this failure swing right here, mitigation, we might mitigate down below, but hard to tell from here, guys. Hard to tell. If YM doesn't start showing weakness, or NQ doesn't start showing weakness with ES, gonna be pretty uninterested in this. It would be terrible to take an L on the first day, but comes with the business, guys. Or the second day. But because it is a hourly order block, we should be seeing, again, 5-minute expansions down. 5-minute expansions down right now is currently what we are seeing. Stop at the 8:30 open here. A little bit of a road bump, but this should be a very relatively easy low resistance liquidity run down. I don't believe we'll see any problems here. NQ monitoring the tick rate. Oh yeah, macro in 3 minutes. That's right, Michael. 100%. Macro is in 3 minutes. Should see if we are to move down, should see a nice steady move down further. Right, again, we have caught the top for YM. We are in a risk-free trade, so don't really feel the need to monitor that one closely, even though I would like to, just because it's the current winning position right now. NQ showing weakness here. NQ showing weakness. Okay, if if DXY, right? DXY is printing bearishly, which is bullish for indices, right? But DXY, if it can wick into or move into this this BPR on the 4-hour, we are gonna see a rapid sell-off today, guys. Like if DXY wants to align with the market here. YM currently just holding on to its ass here. But we did wick into the 1-to-1, so see what's going down. 1 minute NQ looks like it's oh, this is the classic double top, guys. So what we're looking at here for NQ again. Positions currently very green for us. Oh, why did YM just slip? YM gets a quick pump up here into the opening price of that mitigation. Now, I don't want to see this completely turn around on us. Because like that would mean this order block is being supported, but I'm thinking, okay, new 5-minute candle just opened. I'm thinking this is gonna be our immediate rebalance. Push below 830 happens extremely quickly here. Yep, starting to slip here. Indices showing weakness. ES actually fairly strong here. I'm not sure what to think about this one. It would be great if we can actually get this stuff to start moving. I'm not sure if, again, it's going to be correct to tighten my stop here on YM because, I mean, but we're going to stick to the plan. We did hit our 1-to-1 just about, right? Because, I mean, how many points is this? We're looking for 130 points. Down here is, yeah, no, that's going to be our 1-to-1 right here. YM losing strength. From that bounce up. NQ not looking, I'm not really sure what NQ wants to do here. NQ is having a tough time picking a direction at the top, but YM showing considerable weakness here. Selling off after hitting that mitigation block. So we still are going to be, bright green on the day here. Yeah, very nice. We'll pull in around $100, hopefully. Yeah, see, like this order block here on the 1 minute for YM should just be a little roadblock for it, like a speed bump. Then we should just get expansion downwards. But I don't like the fact that the expansion candles are not occurring here. Time distortion could be in play, but then okay, and I mean DXY steadily barreling down to into the BPR range. I'm thinking we can get our move once DXY heads down there, but YM being just a little slow right here makes me want to take profit a lot. But we have our buy stop at the break even. I'm thinking maybe I tighten too soon. If it heads back up there, I'm not going to be happy with that. If I tighten my stop too soon, but that's part of our plan, right? We have to account for something like that. Okay. Here it is, guys. Here it is. We take a look. NQ beginning to sell off here. YM showing weakness. This is what we were looking for. This is it. Are you guys still with me? Strength, lot of weakness. Yeah, a lot of weakness there. What is it? YM needs to break down from here. Show like a solid expansion candle down to keep me in this. I'm happy to take a 1-to-1, but we take a look at NQ. NQ, considerable weakness here. Switch the NQ chart. Yeah, nice. From our entry, we are barreling down now. I didn't really like it, like multiple taps at the top, but you know what it is? Consolidation leads to expansion, guys. You guys know about the market phases. Consolidation to expansion, right? This right here, clear manipulation. YM, oh, ton of weakness from YM here. Breakdown imminent. NQ, small pullback, small retracement. ES absolutely guttered down. DXY hasn't hit its 4-hour BPR yet, though. Still moving bearishly, but safe to say our positions are secure. Right now, we are up $150 around that. Yeah, $146. Let's go, guys. Real easy, real light on the morning. Okay, we're getting a pump happening here from what is it? ES and NQ. I'm thinking that's because of DXY, but I'm thinking this is a false pump because DXY dips into this 4-hour BPR here. Surely we can get a clean sell from indices as a result. I don't like the fact that we're getting the pump from YM though. For me it's taken a long time to break this, but let me not say nothing too soon, guys. Let me not say nothing. Because right here, I think our position is about to head back green. Again, we have on the 4-hour DXY, 4-hour BPR happening here in a discount. So if the inverse correlation is correct, we will be seeing sell-off happening very rapidly, really soon. Both our positions are green. Nothing to worry about there. Let me take a look at NQ here, right? Yeah, NQ just straight monster sell down, guys. I'll take a look. If I go to the 15-minute here, and set this same risk to reward thing, and then go to a 1-to-1. Yeah, our 1-to-1 will be right at that order block. So what I'm going to do, set the alert, crossing down on the 1-to-1. And this is exactly what valid turtle soups look like, guys. Like you take something like this, oh yeah. Look at how crazy our positions are right now, guys. Up a great amount on the day, taking 1 to 2 setups. We want to see DXY start showing some strength here to continue our bearish move down. But again, catching the top on YM, almost catching the top on NQ here. Just a lot of good stuff for our first day. NQ is capable of making those super wide price swings though, right? So that's something we definitely have to be careful about, because if it does like play into those super wide price swings, it could swing up and really knock us out of our position, right? Like that's why I'm keeping my stop there, not moving it until we get the 1-to-1. I have the alert set up for the 1-to-1, so again, not going to be too worried about that. Going to take this like very passive trading right here, not actively managing my trades, just showing you guys can do this without too much anxiety, right? You guys don't want to be too anxious in your trades. So here we are seeing a lot of consolidation happen, but right there from the top is reversal, like on the 1 minute at least, reversal down into consolidation, right? So I'm thinking like this consolidation happens, and then we get expansion at 10 again. 10 o'clock we don't have news. But we'll see we'll see what's going on here. Reaching deep into this BISI now for DXY. Not sure what to think. NQ coming back up again here into this order block on the 1 minute. Does respect the bear. Oh shoot! What the fuck was that? NQ pushing down, but I don't like the fact that the manipulation is downwards on NQ. What does that mean for us guys? Twin-sided manipulation, two-sided manipulation, maybe waiting for like just 10 a.m. volume to come in, but like we're still bearish here. We're still good to go. I'm gonna hold on to my position since this was like literally at 9:40 my entry, right? So I'm gonna hold on a bit here. Seems like our YM is having a tough time, real tough time cracking this 8:30 opening price. This is how you can see like these are great pivot points intraday, but like super tough time cracking the 8:30 open. Price pushing downwards on the manipulation doesn't make me confident. Really not a lot of confluences coming in from DXY as well. Oh, DXY, a little bit of a pump here. Hopefully we can get it to actually move now. Dip below the previous day's open. And yeah, hitting like just a lot of liquidity on those equal lows there. Plus another low getting put in here. I'd be surprised if we don't see, you know what I'm saying, like something come out of this, but we'll take a look. I mean, NQ still green on the position. YM green on the position. Not really liking that YM doesn't have the strength to pull itself down there, but maybe it happens now. NQ showing a lot of weakness. If we could get a continuation down, that would be great. Both trades still in the green, but only up $100 as opposed to like 175 from before. Just again, really not the cleanest trading week, but like not the greatest time to start our trades. But again, we have all these confluences lining up. I'm gonna like regardless of if it's like gonna be like the best news week, I'm gonna take these setups 100 out of 100 times, guys. Like there's just no way, right? NQ just melting down here. $50 in profit on NQ. We're back up to 164 total profit. YM showing weakness again. Hopefully we can get the crack here. 10 a.m. was a bullish manipulation. Candle closed bullish, right? So hopefully that was some kind of inducement. We're getting another crack at the 8:30 open price now. Okay, guys. Okay. Almost $200 in profit here, guys. Position's doing really well. Almost at a 1-to-1 for NQ. Almost there. YM considerable weakness from this point. I'm thinking we can get our crack of the 8:30 open here. It should happen very spontaneously. Yep, there it is. Crack of the 8:30 open. Boom. There we go. $250 in profit. Nice. Not financial advice. Please do not follow. Oh, NQ crossing down for the 1-to-1. NQ, we switch back to that chart. Stop loss at break even here. Modify the order. Switch back to YM. I'm thinking YM can continue down further. So what I'm going to do, set the sell limit, right? I mean, set the buy order that I have right here to 3 units instead of 4. Now that my position is confirmed, I want to ride this position out to the 4-hour BISI that I had in mind. And we'll just keep going from there, guys. Really excellent trade on both of these right now. Took a lot of discipline for me to hold on to them. But again, we're doing well, guys. We're doing well. $250 in profit right now, just barreling down into our target. YM here taking this low, having trouble continuing up. I don't really see us completely reversing from here, though. 730 open, is that strong? Should not be. Should not be. Yeah. DXY doing exactly what we thought it would. 4-hour BPR coming in, pushing price upwards. Should see continued expansion down on the indices. YM really coming up here, though. What is going on here? After the sweep of this 937 low. But I don't really see, I don't think, I mean, okay, NQ took its target for the sell side, but no, I have to hold on to this. It's a 1 to 2 any way you look at it, guys. Any way you look. Is it the new 5-minute candle? Yeah, new 5-minute candle coming in here, so we do get a bit of the pump up, but hopefully we don't lose our entire bag here. Oh shit. Oh shit, what is going on? NQ needs to hold up its end of the stick here. Rejection away from this mitigation block is key for us to continue downwards. Because DXY is looking it's gonna get disrespectful. I'm thinking about securing here, but I really want to hit a 1 to 2 on these trades, guys. I know it can happen because the 1 to 2 it was meant to be. We cracked that 830 open price. We should just start barreling down from here, right? But this is a scary trade to hold, right? Like, I mean, we take a look at something like this. It's not one you want to see all the time. Again, $209 in profit still. Was up $250 before. I don't want to lose all the profits I have, so if I do see like clear signs of reversal, like clear hard signs we can't continue pushing, I'm going to have to take my exit on this position. It's just a hard week in terms of price action, but I think we can get it this time, guys. Rejection, again, of this mitigation is really key here. YM continuing weakness. NQ showing signs of weakness as well. DXY holding itself up. This is great. Oh yeah, YM. Go girl. That's my baby. NQ shorts looking good, guys. Yeah, 180 in total profit on YM. We continue attacking sell side right here. It looks like price action does not want to come back up after hitting that 1 minute SIBI right there. So after the fill of the 1 minute SIBI, another SIBI gets created here. This should be a breakaway gap and just completely send us to hell. Would really not like to see us come back up. $10.10 macro is gonna finish up in 2 minutes. I mean, I like the expansion that we've got so far. Up 80 ticks on YM, up 106 ticks on NQ, but it's a little slow right here. I get we're at the True Weeks Open. This area is around the equilibrium here, but oh, it's this higher time frame. I mean, we have this fair value gap right here, but again, it should not really play. NQ just having, okay, I don't like that YM wicked up right there. I mean, to take that BISI, having a really tough time getting through this area in price. Even though like the candles continue to be consistently bearish, it's gonna print like a true order block on the 5-minute. If we close bearish here, I'm looking for that. 15 minutes, we are still bearish. We're still good to go. True week's open has to get cracked here. Like, it just has to. Okay, order block is printed for YM. Don't mind to dig back into it, but would really... Okay, we have a lot of weakness from NQ here. NQ, we get the sync down, yes or no? DXY showing a lot of bullishness. Indices not really following along, but YM again digging into this this bearish order block here. I mean, yeah, right? So hopefully we can get a propulsion block move down. It's going to take, I estimate, like another 15-20 minutes if propulsion block does get made here, unless we can just get a straight shot down with this order block here. It's what I would really like to see, because the true week's open like is acting as a super strong resistance right here for price. NQ having a whole field day right here. Oh man, giving up a lot of ticks. We just gave up like 60 ticks on NQ or something crazy. But I think we can still get a sell down. It's just like the fact that it's taken so long is like something that I'm not really too happy about. Maybe it's because, again, low volatility becomes a high resistance liquidity run. Well, my stop's at break even on NQ anyways, but I really, like, we're 71 ticks there. Again, large price swing could take us out on NQ. Would not like to see that happen, though. Super tough time breaking down on these indices here. But, I mean, I think we got the top, so should not have a problem with something like this. 15 minutes still looks good on both of these. Not so much YM anymore. 15 minute on YM is having a hard time. This might be just a week for one-to-ones, guys. I'm going to be super real with you. If we can't see some moves soon, like I really, it's taken, the longer it takes for a turtle soup to play out, the less interested I am in holding on to it. Because it's just like we need to see like some alignment with price, right? We need to understand that the higher time frame PD arrays printing down is our ticket. Is our window, especially after the sweeps of liquidity, right? I checked the 1 hour for NQ. Okay. See, the 1 hour for NQ tells a completely different story, because the 1 hour for NQ, there's also a BISI here, and price seems to be holding up with that BISI. Plus, hourly order block gets put in here. Suddenly, I'm a lot less confident about these this position here. But I mean, I have my stops in place. Price is still green on both ends. I'm down $70 from original profit take, though. We'll see if NQ can continue pushing. Just price bouncing between PD arrays is like low probability, guys. You know what I'm saying? Like bouncing from higher time frame PD array to higher time frame PD array. Okay. Well, we do get a nice sell-off on NQ here. Nice sells. Still at above $200 in profit. Okay, you were not supposed to take that, Fox. I don't think we were supposed to, you know what I'm saying, follow my trade as a signal. You're not supposed to tell me that. Okay, excellent. Amen. That's fucking great, dude. Um yeah, YM again, like still holding up here. We'll see if we can get this order block to just push it down. We just need one more push, and we can crack that True Weeks open, 7:30 open. We're gonna get some money out of this, guys. NQ selling off. YM maintaining its weakness here. DXY starting to push up from that 4-hour BPR. What I'm expecting from DXY is again like the 15-minute expansion. So if that happens, indices should just follow suit, right? Indices should just fuck off right here. This is exactly what we're looking for. Today, yeah, today is different. Today they want to be different on the market. 100%, Nick. Oh my God, holding this son of a bitch is crazy. Yeah, no, this point right here, like if we can just get one close below, like a solid close below this true 7:30 open on YM. No, I'm not gonna I'm gonna set my limit to 4. Mental capital is beginning to drain for me, as you guys can tell. I can't hold it into that 4-hour BISI. We're gonna stick to the plan, hold on to the take profit there. Okay, NQ hard approaching the take profit right here should give us enough weakness on the other indices to continue pushing down. YM is going to see its crack at 7:30. Mark my words. NQ up 255 ticks. What does that look like? $125. Oh shit, we're profiting, guys, on NQ. That one NQ micro is doing justice right here. Oh Jesus, if I was taking this on my live account instead of doing this fucking challenge. No, let me not talk like that. Because I would be in a stupid number of contracts, guys. I don't know if you know, but stupid number of contracts. Okay, ES on the hourly also has a little something right there. What does YM look like? YM on the hourly, it just doesn't look like, I mean, but we took the previous day's high, right? Order matching has to happen there. Like, I have to hold this 1 to 2 no matter what on YM. It's just that, like, the prints are not really going my way on YM as they are on NQ. NQ, look at the weakness, right? We see the weakness. Whole lot of it. Okay, coming back up on NQ. This wick has to hold up or I'm going to be out of NQ right here. I'll tell you that right now, guys. Like, because that hourly BISI that's there, if it pumps the price up, YM is just going to fuck off right here. Like, we're definitely not collecting nothing on YM if this pumps the price up right here. But, like, higher time frame narrative, like, we're deep in premium, so I can only take shorts. I really do not want to let go of this YM position, though. It's been a good kid right here. Up $250 in profit. I cannot complain. We'll see if we continue selling off on NQ here. YM showing strength, breaking above this this looks like the mean threshold of this order block here. Let me take a look at the price from here. I mean, it could still, if it pushes down, it needs to push down right here, or else I'm not going to be too happy about it anymore. Yeah, it needs to give us a push down like after sweeping that high there. NQ, oh man. NQ, don't give me trouble, baby. Let's get it going one time. Smooth price. Consolidation into expansion, please. This is like, you know, the part of it where you have to think about the time as well. 10:30 is a great time for a reversal, guys. Like, in terms of like the overall price action. Yeah, profits taken on NQ. Nice job, guys. Anybody taking shorts? Great job, right? Yeah, and I'm sticking to the plan here. I have to stick to the plan. 1 to 2. Get in, get out. SMTs, like huge SMTs from the indices here. None of them are behaving in the same way. YM making higher high, NQ making lower low. Not the greatest. Not the greatest right here, but YM continuing to sink lower after I said it has to sell off here. in order for me to continue being in the trade. Currently, up $250 overall. I just realized I put on a different voice to start commentating this shit. To me, that's crazy. But, you know, we're fast with it. Lightning fast. YM just having a complete reluctance to push down here below the 8:30 open and the 7:30 open. It's really worrying for my position here because 10:30 approaches could get the big time reversal. NQ continues to be weak though. ES following suit. DXY pushing up from its 4-hour BPR there. Hopefully we get some weakness here. Okay, see this right here means propulsion block to me on YM to the downside. NQ barreling towards its target now. NQ, I'm not too worried about that. YM, I'm more worried about. YM is stuck as hell. Like, I don't understand, because YM normally moves a little faster than this, but we're going to see what goes down here. On YM, I'm seeing a propulsion block. On ES, it just looks like a sell-off right here. Let me check the hourly time frame again. Hourly time frame, ES does have a BISI below. I'm going to put an alert right there. If we can't get a big expansion downwards, like, I'll take it where I can get it. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like, YM is just not exactly like the candidate here. You know what it is? It's because the 7:30 open is literally right at that, like, above that that BISI right there, right on YM. So it's holding price hostage, is what it's doing. But we took like huge buy side, took big time buy side. So the fact that we can't get the move down is a little concerning. But to me, again, double bear flag formation. NQ just carrying us though, carrying us hard right here. Would like to see some actual good correlation with DXY. Not going to happen on YM. Looks like. Unless we can see this real open high low close play out, but price is having a lot of trouble breaking down below the true opens here. But like again, ES and NQ are still weak. YM, we have the top. I don't even know why I'm commentating so much. It's just that like the slowness of YM like gives me like the jitters. Like mental capital is really important. Yeah, I mean I'm thinking about like that too, in terms of like the indices. But again, like the sell-off like after we took previous day's high, like to me that's gotta equate to a little more than just like sell into like the open here, because we took the previous day's high, dip into an hourly order block, and we're still not getting like there's no way I can only take a 1-to-1 for that, right? Especially NQ is barreling down towards the price target. NQ about to take us out of the trade, actually. Up more on NQ than YM now. Crazy, I know. YM was printing so nicely. But you can see NQ is just straight selling off. If anybody took NQ sells, y'all are like, yeah, I mean, from where I'm in, it's gonna be 60 points down, right? Anybody with more than one micro contract is fucking eating crazy. YM is still not showing strength here. NQ is definitely gonna whip us out of our position though. Very soon. You can see it. Just the lack of expansion on YM just like jitters again. But no reason to get out of the trade yet. On the 1 minute, I'm not seeing any signs of market structure shift happening. No sweep, no solid sweep of liquidity going on here. Just a bunch of chop consolidation. NQ 304 ticks, guys. Wow. Wow. Maybe if I didn't stick to the plan and scaled in on this son of a bitch, we could actually be. Okay, and if you guys heard the ringing, we do have our take profit hit on NQ. Boom. Very nice trade right there. If we take a look, oh, I put crossing down, but it's actually, I don't know. It's crossing into that BISI on ES. But if we take a look, if I open my executions up here, guys, you can see NQ bought in from here at the SIBI, sold here. Holy shit! Great turtle soup on NQ here. Great turtle soup. YM still being a slow bastard. I don't know what to think of this at this point. On the 15-minute, we got 5 minutes left to go. Really not excited about this one. I might just close it on early because ES is dipping into the hourly BISI, but like the fact that there's actually like literal to no correlation between YM and NQ is like really just strange to me, because I just like the bearishness of NQ and ES should be tugging YM down, right? As I say that, it is selling like a really green candle just turned into a red candle. If we can't crack this true open though, it's gonna be like really hard for us to get anywhere with this. Price action, we did catch the top. Do I take the $100, fellas? Up a good amount for the day. I made I think $177 from NQ there, because I only took an $88 worth of risk, but at the same time, like YM is the trade I really want to hit because I have the risk maxed out on that one. We just continue up, start moving up, maybe because of ES. Yeah. YM also inside an hourly BISI there, having trouble moving below it. But I mean, previous day's high sweep is something we can't really ignore. Last point of resistance is honestly just going to be this bearish order block here. So we'll mark this out on the 1. It's actually a super order block. Oh, okay. A nice rejection coming in from there for the first minute of that candle. We'll see if it can hold up. Maybe like YM just needed to soup this high back into this 1 minute super order block. Could get us our move down, but at the same time, not confident about this one. Yeah, not really confident about this one. Might have to close it at break even. Oh, I will have a trade record out. So we can update based on the weekly win-loss. Yeah, but it doesn't look like this order block will be holding up for us, fellas. I could have taken profit on YM a long time ago after seeing the failures to crack, but you know what it is? Sometimes in your system, you need to have break-even trades, right? Break-even trades are healthy because at least it shows you that, you know, you manage well. NQ just continuing to sell off here, though. YM, not so much. YM just really being a bad girl today. Yeah, NQ is super nice. Chips. I took both, so I took YM and NQ, right? If you take a look at NQ here, what is it? I entered right here, so boom for this soup right here, and I exited on that one right down here. So yeah, a ton of points captured from that trade, around 80 points. NQ, beautiful, right? YM being a little bit of a dickhead here. I don't like it so much. But you know what? It's 10:30 right now, so this move up, I'm thinking could be some sort of manipulation. It either stops me out or it sells off, right? Like, there's nothing Nothing more, nothing less I can do about this one. Um, it was a beautiful entry, but it looks like to me like it's gonna stop me out here. Um, oh, I mean, like I shouldn't have my stop at break even here, but it's part of the plan. I mean, I will take a little bit of baby profit if it digs up, which it looks like it's gonna do here. Really, not the happiest about this, but because I was up like $140 in profit about this one, but you know what? Like we can't get everything here. Break evens are part of the plan. We'll stick to it. Super order block not really giving us the best confluence for sells right here. It looks like price is just mooning straight up. Um, for another manipulation. I mean, yeah, like this definitely looks like manipulation up here, and I'm stopped out, guys. Unfortunate, but you know what? We did capture 3 ticks on on YM, so I mean, I'm gonna set that at break even. But yeah, overall today, $180 captured in profit on this small account. So we'll take it. We'll take what we can get. Honestly, though, if we wick into this Sibby, we could definitely, guys, we could see something like this. If I see an immediate rejection from here, I will have to market myself in on this Sibby. Um, just because like we're so bearish on NQ, and even on ES, we're so bearish. And this 4-hour Sibby was not taken, right? So I'm thinking that might be the true. You know what? Let's do it, guys. Again, we're gonna come in for 4 units on this sell here, hoping for this Sibby to give us our 1 to 2. Let's see if am I placing my stop loss properly. Yeah, stop loss placed right above the wick high here. 4-hour Sibby coming into play. Um, I'm thinking that would be the true draw on liquidity for the move down. Not really seeing any bullish market structure holding us up. 4-hour Sibby should do it. Let's get this entry in while we can, guys. Because the order block like did give us a move down into an hourly Sibby, but like again, like I don't really agree with that. To me, it looks like a double manipulation up into this price area. Yeah, good day for sure. Good day for sure. Now, if I do lose on on something like this, I'm thinking here, hold on. Okay, on the hourly though, shoot, it does look like we're gonna go in to take Monday's high now. I just can't ignore like the sweep of the previous day's high, because again, it's not like the buys are really happening in like a true discount, right? In like the range, like the discount of the range. So like NQ selling off there, like, oh, let's see. No, I can't. I can't be positioned bullishly. If it does happen, it happens. But oh, you know what? It's hitting our order block and rejecting from the order block again. Yeah, maybe break evening wasn't correct, guys. Um, on my position, maybe I didn't play it right. No, I'm thinking we need to sweep some sell side here, some real sell side. Wait and see what happens though. Because this order block again could provide us our move down, and then I don't get my sell here. Pretty okay with it though. 180 bucks up for the day. If I do risk anything, it'll be risking profit. Um, like you have to ask yourself if you're getting greedy at that point, right? Like not really like a real market structure shift bullishly. Oh man, I'm thinking the sell was incorrect, because again, like our 1030 move up into this order block again is gonna give us a sell. Now, if I can re-enter something like this on the 1 minute, I might have to execute just on the 1 minute just to preserve my original position, but um, not really a fan of doing that. It just looks so good though. It's playing out perfectly. I don't believe we are bullish for Monday's high here. I think we just tanked down. Um, yeah, M-shaped reversal happening for uh our our YM here, so it's gonna look something like this. 1 minute, it looks like we're just gonna sell. Um, is it time to close the chart, fellas? Yeah, the NQ just barreling towards previous day's low. I could have scaled it maybe. Um, YM not really sure of itself here, but we're gonna get a close below a bunch of bissies. Looks like. Yeah, no, definitely like the higher time frame is not confluent to like bullish price action. Like I don't believe in that. There's no way. Definitely need to take some sell side after that move down. Again, if you guys are still in on the NQ short, I mean, I basically like from this position captured 140 points. If you guys are still in on that, you guys are menaces. No, YM showing a ton of weakness here. If I do enter, it's gonna be a 1 minute continuation entry. I can't miss. I don't think like missing this opportunity is like you know part of the like not going into my plan. So something like this, like extremely bearish here. Doesn't look like we can actually get a move up to enter a position though. Oh, that would be our move up right there. So here's what we're gonna do. Enter here in this fair value gap right here. So we have this for a continuation entry. Stop loss here. We will take a 1 to 2 at around our same price target. Here we go, guys. Not supposed to be executing on the 1 again, but it's too good of an opportunity to miss just because it's gonna be our continuation of the original trade that we had going on. So again, we're on a 5 minute busy here, expecting this to get violated from the hourly order block. M-shaped reversal happening here. So again, get rid of this. We'll set the stop here. Set the buy limit. Yeah, we're good to go. If a sell is supposed to happen, it'll happen very quickly right here. NQ, ES showing a lot of weakness. YM expected to follow suit. Tapping twice into our hourly order block there. Yeah, hard sell off here. Yeah, like at this point, like this trade is not supposed to even go into the red. Like we shouldn't be taking on any kind of drawdown for something like this. So we'll just take what we can get here in terms of the weakness overall. YM just seems to be like the slowest pair today, though, guys. Like I mean, like The funny thing is, I said I don't trade ES because it's slow, but like, god damn, like you want to talk about slow? This is slow right here. NQ taking out the previous day's low as well. DXY still barreling upwards. As I said, 15-minute expansions should happen from a 4-hour PD array. So that's exactly what that looks like right there. YM beginning to break down here. Yeah. Again, guys, what I was looking into was an M-shaped reversal for YM. So something like this, where we tap the PD array twice. I really don't like double taps, especially after I hit my 1-to-1. But we followed our original trade plan right here, risking nowhere near as much on the trade. Still continuing to capture profits on the day. Was up 180 before. I think we're up 2 something now. Very good right here. Yep. Nice sell-off. Continuation trade. Set up here to hit like at around our original take profit. Targeting this sell side liquidity pool here. Relative equal lows. Now Monday highs, I'm pretty sure they're not to be hit. Not today. NQ was just beautiful though. If anybody took that, do you guys take NQ? I know Nick said he took NQ. I mean, yeah, Rob took NQ. I know there's some serial printers in here. I'll tell you that. Yeah, 10:30, 10:30, a great time for a reversal to happen. I'm not really sure what this is right here though. Maybe it's because NQ's pulling up previous day's low. Yeah, but still considered weak on the 5-minute. Maybe YM doesn't want to go anywhere today. Maybe it's just creating more of an internal range because again, it hasn't hit that 4-hour SIBI, right? But it's still also not invalidated that hourly order block. So a lot of confusion happening with YM here. Maybe bouncing between like the PD arrays on the 1 hour, right? You have your what is this right here? This is gonna be your 1 hour BISI right here. Tiny BISI, but still there. It's actually a BPR as well. Okay, I'll mark it out as BPR actually. Right. Boom. Right here. 1 hour higher time frame BPR. Bouncing between that and the 1 hour order block. Again, still not digging into the 4-hour SIBI at all, but sells are continuing here. NQ weak, ES weak. Of course, putting my faith into the one in this like index that fucking not working. Oh shit, 151 points. That's right, Liverpool. That's what we like. Moneyball shorted ES. 2-handle stop. Oh, you're a degenerate, bro. Like you're a what? A 2-handle stop? This boy is a demon. I know you were showing that on the 1 minute, or the 15 seconds. Some kind of nonsense there. 2-handle stop is crazy. Yeah, but I am looking for this 1 minute order block to play. Oh, here it is. Continued selling, guys. Continued selling. Again, higher time frame, like definitely does put me bearish, especially after the sweep of the previous day's high. So M-shaped reversal right here. Not really concerned about this. Okay, but at the same time, like YM really has problems because NQ and ES are just tanking right here. Like this is great. YM I might close it out. YM I might close it out. Treat it as a scalp, not a fully confirmed trade, but I mean we're almost at 1-to-1, I think, right? Let's take a look. Yeah, almost there. If we hit the 1-to-1, I can put my stop at break even and then just call it there. You know what I'm saying? Like, forget the nonsense that this is doing. YM just doesn't want to behave today. It's not all the way there. But then again, it is creating big wicks down. Like the wicks are showing that like there's range to be made down. So again, we could definitely see that. 5-minute Sibi coming in here. Maybe this takes us down, because we did close technically below this Bissy here. It's 5-minute Bissy, and it's gonna take me into the red. This is crazy. Yeah, what happens when we're not trading exactly to part of the plan, trading on the 1 minute? Might get punished for this, who knows? I don't think so though. I got a little faith in this one. Oh wait, actually this is a big ass expansion candle. Yeah, ES and NQ reversing here. I think we're gonna dig into the 4-hour Sibi. I'm thinking that's the case, but if we can get like a nice sell just down here from this this regular 5-minute Sibi, like a failure swing to go up here, that would be. I mean, I'm cool with that, man. No complaints there. Scalpers are having a field day with this one though. In and outs, in and outs. This one you probably needed to turn on your 9 and 21 EMA for this one. Okay, still in the green on this trade here. Starting to see YM find the weakness that NQ and ES are going through. YM just absolutely not following the line though. Yeah, super low probability trading on YM here, because it seems like on YM, like after that opening push up, like this session is itself is chopping, right? Which is not really, I mean, I don't really think it would happen because from here, oh wait, actually on the 15-minute, it looks like this is a propulsion block to push us up. Yeah, maybe you should have used the 15-minute to frame it out a little bit more. Bouncing between PD arrays on the hourly is not like the healthiest behavior. Right here, like again, like we're just bouncing up and down here. Probably shouldn't have taken this one on YM. Yeah, YM is a bitch. YM is a dickhead. Yeah, no, 100%. This week has been shaky at best. Thankfully, I'm not risking, you know what I'm saying, too much equity on this one. Risking like maybe not even $50, right? Let's see. We're in four units on this one. Yeah, risking $82. I don't even really like losing that. Might close it out at break even. Call it here, fellas. See it for what it is. It's just the fact that the under indices are just completely sinking. That like maybe like this is a little bit of anchoring bias coming from me here. Like I just have like my head super set on shorts occurring for YM here, but clearly like this is just not the case. We are probably bouncing in an equilibrium right now. Yeah, here it is. You take a look at something like this, right? Just bouncing around at equilibrium, up and down and up and down. No real good context there for our trades. But, I mean, we'll see what happens on this one. I really am more tempted to close it out because at this point, like $12 or whatever the fuck I'm going to be making. Wait, how much am I taking on this trade for profit? $164 is causing me to just break my mental right here. Now, if this could give us a breakdown, that'd be cool. 5-minute candle closing bearish. That's very good right there. That's very good. 15-minute closing bearish as well after a wick up. We should get the sell now. If we can crack this 8:30 open again, Lord be with us, right? Or this midnight open as well. The midnight 8:30 open is just holding price here, holding it hostage. But we've tried to crack it. Once, twice, like so many times on these candles down, right? But that last 5-minute candle close is good confluence right there. Good eating. NQ, ES continuing to sell off. If I could have traded like more than one contract for NQ as part of my plan, shoo, be eating crazy right now. Again, the thought process is that YM sinks as a result of NQ and ES, right? But like YM seems to just be not following the plan at all. Okay, again, guys, like we take a look, 15-minute expansion candles coming in real hot for DXY, right? 4-hour BPR happening. Oh, YM, another crack at midnight there. Immediately bought on that move. Wait, attack it again. Again, the thing that stops a breakout, like a true breakout from happening at like the highs and lows is going to be a PD array, right? But here, like we have this order block, but we're just kind of digging into it multiple times. Gives me the idea that eventually like this is just going to crack right open. Multiple like shots taken at the midnight 8:30 price again. We might just be hovering around here for the day though. Yeah, just super strong sell-offs happening on NQ and ES. Moneyball is still holding on to that shit. You're crazy, man. Okay. One last crack taken here. Oh, we get the push through midnight. Can we get a close below? Okay. We are at a 1-to-1 here. Stop at break even. Need to see the sell side taken now. Need to see it taken quickly. With haste right here, right through the 8:30, right through the midnight price. Don't want to see this rejected here at all. Bid back up happening. Rejection, right? Yeah. I close it. Extra $30. Great trades on the day, guys. Great fucking trades. Let's go. Yeah, YM doesn't seem to want to crack today. Great fucking trades. Let's go, guys. Excellent trades today. Excellent fucking trades. Wow. We are done. It's 10:54. I don't believe YM is going to give us the crack that we need. It's just too much resistance in the way. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to fucking open up this See, we can see no open positions. Started the day up $50. Ended the day up 210 on the original balance. Log out of the trade of 8. Boom. We're done, guys. Okay. Now, I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. Everybody stopping in, I really appreciate you guys coming in. Spending your time with me here this morning. Just absolutely great stuff, man. Great stuff. Right here, I am going to end the stream. Thank you guys again so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. The stream will be uploaded on YouTube. We're good to go, guys. Thank you.